Why does India need conclusive land titling? The centre wants to reform the country's land market through a fundamental legal and procedural shift in how land titles are awarded. What is the news? In 2020, even as laws for farm reforms and labour code reforms were being enacted, the government's think tank Niti Aayog took steps to initiate land reforms. A model bill on conclusive land titling was sent to states, union territories last June seeking their comments. In September, after many states failed to send in their feedback, the centre warned that their agreement would be pursued. Land ownership in India. In India, land ownership is determined through various records such as sale deeds that are registered, property tax documents, government survey records, etc. Land ownership is broadly defined by access to a land title. Land title is a document that determines the ownership of land or immovable property. Having a clear land title protects the rights of the title holder against other claims made by anyone else to the property. Why is conclusive land titling needed? In a conclusive titling system, the government provides guaranteed titles and compensation in case of any ownership disputes. Achieving this will require shifting to a system of registered property titles such as opposed to sale deeds as the primary evidence of ownership and having clear and updated land records. The main advantage is that a conclusive system will drastically lower litigation related to land. According to a 2007 World Bank study on land policies for growth and poverty reduction, land-related disputes accounted for 2/3 of all pending courts in India. A Niti Aayog study on strengthening attribution estimated that disputes on land or real estates take an average time of 20 years in the courts to be resolved. What will change in the new system? On the other hand, under a conclusive land titling system, land records designated actual ownership. The title is granted by the government, which takes the responsibility for accuracy. Once a title is granted, any other claimant will have settled disputes with government, not the title holder.